Hi friends, this video shows what is inside the head pillow of Green Soul Monster gaming and work from home chair. This is a head pillow and this is smooth and this material is also soft. So let me check what is inside. Here you can see a zip lock. I am going to open this zip lock. So let me open. See, here you can see what is inside this head pillow. See. So this is soft and this cloth also smooth. This is what we see inside this head pillow. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.